Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Selamat datang and welcome to Siva's Cuisines. Today we are going to do an evening snack which is called vegetarian mushroom cutlet. Now let's go down to the cooking process. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is boil the potatoes. Okay, I'm going to put them into the hot water. Start the stove. Let the potatoes be cooked real soft. Whilst the potatoes are being boiled, we are going to dice up all the other ingredients. First, we need to finely slice the green chilies. Then we will finally dice the ginger. Then the onions. We have the mixed veggies, which is carrot, corn and green peas. You can get it ready-made in the supermarkets. They are boiled already, so you don't have to boil them. Then we need half a lime and we need a bunch of curry leaves and also a tablespoon of fennel seeds. I'm going to slice up these mushrooms. These mushrooms, we are just going to marinate them with chili powder and fry. Slightly fry them only. You don't need to fully fry them. These are called oyster mushrooms. You can get them in any supermarkets. The potatoes are still boiling. While it's boiling, I am going to fry the mushrooms slightly first. First, add in some oil. Add a bit of chili powder. Okay, and mix them. And I'm going to fry them for a while. Just for it to get a small crisp. Add a bit more oil as it. I don't want them to get burnt. They will shrink slowly. Okay. When you taste these mushrooms with the cutlet, this will look very meaty and crunchy. Of salt. Okay, this is the color that we are looking for. Slightly golden in color. Now I can off the flame and keep them aside. The potatoes have been boiled. Now I'm going to mash them. this is the mashed potatoes. Some oil in the same pan that I used to fry the mushroom. Okay, for 1.5 tablespoon. Then I'll add in the ginger and the green chilies. Then the onions. And add in the curry leaves which I have already chopped. Curry leaves will give a good flavor. At this stage, you can add in some salt for the onions to cook faster. Just a bit. Let the onions turn a bit golden in color. Okay, while this is cooking, I will add in the mushrooms which we have fried earlier. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of garam masala, at this stage we can add in the cooked mixed veggies. I'll lower down the heat for a while. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Sorry, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let them cook. And I'll squeeze in the lime juice. Okay, at this stage, I'm going to add in the potatoes, the mashed potatoes. You can off the stove now. Keep mixing the potatoes and add in the coriander leaves. The cutlet dough that you have done, I need to let them cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. And while that is being done, I'm going to prepare the breadcrumbs and flour. Now this is a normal all-purpose flour which I have mixed with some water, and we need to get this consistency. Alright, what we are going to do now is fold the breadcrumbs into shapes, oval shapes or round shapes or whichever shape you wish to. After folding them, you dip into the flour and this is the breadcrumbs, putting them into a bowl. We don't need to put everything together. You see? This is the cutlet sizes that we are looking for. Give it to rest for a while I'll do the rest. Okay, I've already done a few patties, all oval round shapes, and I let them sit for a while, for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to on the stove to fry. So you need to have just a bit, just nice, say about 6 to 7 tablespoons will do. Okay, while the oil is heating up, I just mix this again because they get dried up very fast. So add in a little bit of water and keep stirring them until you have this kind of consistency. You see? So the patties will get soaked in them, and then we put them into the breadcrumbs and immediately put into the stove. Okay, the oil is heated up. I'm going to coat them into the flour and put them into the breadcrumbs. This is how it looks. The patties are soaked in the flour mixture and coated again with breadcrumbs. Right? Then we immediately put them into the stove. Here we go, viewers. The vegetarian mushroom cutlet is ready. Do try it and let me know in the comment box below. And for those who have not subscribed to Siva's Cuisine, please do subscribe, like and press the notification bell so that I could forward my future recipes and we could share it together. Thank you.